Hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Isis. We're students in the Undergraduate Juvenile Family Law Clinic at the University of Arizona, James E. Roger College of Law.
Did you know that juvenile delinquency records are public records in Arizona? That means having a juvenile record can make it harder to get a job, qualify for rent, or apply for a loan.
But a lot of juvenile records can get destroyed with a court order, and getting your juvenile records destroyed can really help.
We've made this video to give you some information about juvenile records destruction in Pima County and show you example situations when someone might be eligible to get their record destroyed.
We're not attorneys and can't give legal advice, but we'll give you contact information for the Pima County Public Defender, who has a free records destruction program. Stay tuned for some sample situations written by us and performed by members of the clinic.
I'm so disappointed, man. I was really looking forward to this job, but because of my juvenile record, they denied me.
Oh, Jack, that's a bummer. Is that the job you wanted at the group home?
Yeah, I really want to work with kids in foster care, and this job had really good benefits. I would have been responsible for the supervision, welfare, and the caretaking of the youth in the group home. I was really excited.
So what happened?
Well, see, after I turned 18, I just automatically assumed that my juvenile record would disappear. When I was 16, I got a misdemeanor for shoplifting. I was told to pay some fines and to do a probation program, I think. I did everything, so I just automatically assumed that it would go away because I did everything I was asked for.
I actually heard that in Arizona, your juvenile record doesn't automatically get destroyed and you have to apply. Maybe you can do that.
Yeah, thank you. I'll look into that.
Jack probably would be eligible to get his record destroyed when he turns 18. Since Jack had paid his fine, did probation, and had a misdemeanor that wasn't about DUI or weapons, he'll most likely be able to get his record destroyed.
Hey Alicia, any news on the apartment?
Hey Aunt Jillian. I don't think it's gonna work out though. All that stuff from when I was a teenager is holding me back, and I know the landlord wants to do a background check before he'll let me sign a lease.
You're worried about your juvenile record?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm hoping he won't think much about the DUI, but I'm sure he's not gonna say anything well about the drive-by shooting. But I was just a kid, and everything was done by my friends, not me. But I know it doesn't look good.
How old are you now?
25, why?
Well, in Arizona, your records don't automatically disappear, but for some things, I think including felonies and things like that, you can get your records destroyed when you're 25.
That sounds good. I'll look into it. I don't want these records holding me back anymore. And you know, it's been really hard, but I've been trying to save up money for me and the baby. And I haven't done anything since I was 17.
I know you've been saving it up. I wanted to ask, you don't have any fines or fees from your juvenile court case left, do you?
There is some fees for probation and something about a victim's restitution that I was supposed to pay, but I just couldn't afford it and it became too much. So I kind of just didn't pay it and I forgot about it after that.
I heard that for the fines and fees, you can get the judge to waive some of them, but I think that victim restitution fee is going to have to get paid.
Okay, that's good to know. I'll work on it then.
Since Alicia has a felony with a weapon and a DUI charge, she has to wait until she's 25 before she's eligible to get her records destroyed. She will have to pay off the victim restitution and other fines too, unless a judge agrees to waive them.
Hi Melanie, how about we start by you telling me what's going on so I could get a sense of how to answer your questions.
Okay, basically, so when I was in high school, I got into this huge fight with this teacher and totally decimated her MacBook. I understand that paying court fees and victim restitution is important, so I did all of that. But now I'm worried because I have charges pending against me for something I did when I was over 18. Is this going to hurt my case for destruction of records?
Well, it does help that you paid off what you were supposed to. Unfortunately, because you have charges pending in adult court, that's going to prevent you from getting your records destroyed. And if you're convicted of a felony in adult court, then Arizona law says you will not have your records destroyed.
Wait, so let me get this straight. Nobody with charges pending against them can get their record destroyed?
Yeah, pending criminal cases and felony convictions make someone ineligible for destruction of records. If you have any questions about your case, though, you should reach out to an attorney. The public defender has a free records destruction program, and I'll give you the contact info.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
There's a lot to know about getting juvenile records destroyed in Pima County. Things that make it easier to get a juvenile record destroyed include paying fines and fees, especially any victim restitution, successfully completing probation, being old enough, 18 in some situations and 25 in others. Things that can make you ineligible for records destruction include having an adult felony and having an open criminal case.
But if you have any questions about your situation, you should reach out to an attorney who can give you legal advice. The Pima County Public Defender has a free program, and you can call their office at 520-724-2994.
Thanks for watching.